good, YouTube? It's your boy T Carey here, and today I'm gonna give y'all my 5 reasons on why I love my Dodge Challenger. Alright? So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it, alright? Ah, shit! Ah, fuck! Alright, you bitch ass niggas. Let me go ahead and show y'all number 1 reason why I fucking love my Dodge Challenger, alright? So boom. Alright, let's get in the car. Alright, y'all see this? Boom. Some niggas, they like the, you know, the normal, oh, grab the door handle. I ain't gonna cap. I'm one of those niggas that like the door handle being down here low. Like, look, some people don't like that, but I like that. Like, it makes it feel like you're in a racing car. I mean, that's what basically what RT is, SRT, blah, 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 whatever you want to fucking call it. You know, I like the little door handle down here, bro. It just, I don't know, I just like it, you know what I mean? Like, maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just a me thing. But I do like it. Yeah. So, reason number 2, as y'all can see, the trunk, right? This shit, don't mind everything that's in the trunk, all right? It's pretty fucking spacious. For it to be a 2-door car, it's fucking spacious. Like, I can fit a 65-inch TV in here if I really wanted to, which I have done. I have fit a 65-inch in there. Now, you do gotta take the shit off of it. You can't have the box in there while you're putting the motherfucking TV in there. But yeah, you can fit a fucking 65-inch TV in here, bro. I've done it before. It's possible. It will work. So go ahead and try it. You know what I mean? Another reason why I love this fucking car so much is it's fucking 2-door. Now, I stated that shit in my last couple videos ago, right? I don't like niggas in my car, as y'all can see. I don't like niggas in my backseat. I had fuck kids in my backseat, you know, and this is exactly why I don't like niggas in my backseat, bro. I don't like niggas in my backseat. So, for it to be a 2-door car, right? It's pretty dirty in here. For it to be a 2-door car, bro, this is probably the most spacious 2-door car that you're probably gonna get out of like the sports muscle cars. Like a Mustang, they basically they have a non-existent back seat. You might as well not even put no more back there. You know what I'm saying? Like their seats is basically, you know, back there is pretty small. You know, you got the Camaro. You know, it's pretty small too. You basically can't fit nobody back there in that bitch. The car is already small as it is. The outside, big. Inside, small. It's very fucking small. But like, look at this. I have a lot of space. I have a lot of fucking space, man, if I really wanted to. Like, it's so much fucking space in here for it to be a 2-door car. This car is really fucking spacious, man. So if you guys are in the market for a Hemi or a sports car in general, and you're like, which 2-door car should I get? Get this one. I'm gonna tell y'all again, get a fucking Challenger. Get a fucking Challenger. No, fuck that, bro. Get a fucking Challenger, man. It has a lot of fucking space. Get this shit, all right? For my 3rd reason on why I like this car so much, right? And y'all probably not even gonna be thinking about it. A lot of people don't think about this shit, right? The gas cap. Look at this, bro. Look at this shit, bro. It just makes me almost want a nut. Just makes me almost want a nut, bro. Like, look at the fucking fuel cap, bro. Like, no other car, not a Charger, not a fucking Camaro, a Mustang, Trackhawk, Durango, blah blah blah. None of these come with these beautiful ass gas cap like a fuel cap like a fucking Challenger does, bro. Like, it is so fucking beautiful, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, it adds something. It adds that that you're looking for to a car, bro. Like, you go to with a regular car, it's a simple square. It's a simple square that you open up, you put the fucking gas in there, and boom, bro. This though, bro, it adds some type of to the car. Fuel, boom. Open that bitch up, boom. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, but that's just me. You know, I love my fucking fuel cap. Like, to me, personally, I think that's the best part of the car. is the fuel cap. I love this fucking fuel cap so fucking much, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the fuel cap. If y'all prefer it or y'all prefer the square, let me know. Now for my fifth and final reason is the size. Like I'm talking, what I mean by size, the size and girth. Look how big this bitch is. Look how big. Everybody's gonna say this nigga dropping in a boat. This nigga need fucking a life vest and fucking snorkels and fucking goggles and shit. Yeah, bitch, I do. You know, I'm riding a motherfucking boat, bro. A fucking Tonka truck. Like, these fucking things are huge as fuck. Compared to the other muscle cars, sports cars, this shit is really fucking long. Like, look at this car. You see that? Bro, this car is damn near as long as this XL truck that we got over here. Look at this bitch, bro. It's really fucking long, man. Like, it's long as shit. Let me go ahead and give y'all a little cold start right quick. I ain't give y'all that. Really my 5 reasons on why I love my Dodge Challenger so much. Obviously, I've already gave y'all my 5 reasons why I don't. So this is my 5 reasons why I do like it. So, on that fucking note, you bitch ass niggas. Nah, I'm capping, bro. I love y'all niggas. On that note, though, we had 291 subscribers, bro. Hey, look, I got a fucking banger for y'all Saturday. Hope y'all fucking like it, man. Like I said, bro, we at 291, bro. We on a roll. We need like, what, 8 more, and we at 300 subscribers, bro. So it's a fucking blessing, man. I've never seen this shit a day in my life, and I know for a fact it's just gonna go up and 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 up, bro. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't do this shit without y'all looking at my shit, bro. Cause like I said, it's really fucking hard. But I'm gonna end this note off on this one, right? Look, man, never give up, bro. Chase your fucking dreams, bro. You can say all day, I'm gonna do this the next day, I'm gonna do this the next day, I'm gonna do this the next day when I have time. My nigga, you have time. If you have time to go clock in, you have time to scroll on your fucking phone, if you got time to go talk to bitches, niggas, whatever the fuck you're into, if you got time to go smoke weed and do all this other shit, you got time to pursue your fucking goals, bro. Now, obviously, your goals, your dreams come with risk. Obviously, with your dreams and your goals, you're gonna fucking fail. I can't imagine explaining to y'all how many fucking times it took me to even reach 291 subscribers, bro. Like, this is what I wanna do. This is what I wanna do. And you know what I'm saying? This shit didn't come fucking overnight. And I always said to myself, why the fuck do people that ends up being big, why do they always say, you know, this shit don't come overnight? This shit, cause it really don't. And when you do see the niggas that it come to overnight, these niggas fall off quick. Because they didn't have a background, something, you know what I'm saying, that, you know, boosted them up. They didn't have anything to continue on doing that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, like, I'm kind of happy it didn't happen overnight for me. You know what I'm saying? Because like, I probably would have fell off. I don't know what it's like to work hard. I don't know what it's like to, you know what I'm saying, have those sleepless nights. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, bro, chase your fucking dreams, bro, because your dreams ain't gonna fucking chase you. You gotta chase that bitch, bro. You know, the money will come. You're not gonna see the money right away, obviously. You know, but when the money fucking comes, bro, you can't stop. You just gotta keep going, bro. You gotta keep going, bro. You gotta keep going. So, again, thank you for the 291, bro. We only gonna go up for here, bro. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one, all right?